Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys another video. This video here is going to be Black Girl approved. Yay! I'm doing another one of these. I know you guys really enjoy these on my channel, so I'm trying to push out as many that I can to review and to share with you guys the products that I like. So I wanted to go ahead and test this product out. I haven't really reviewed or seen any videos on YouTube because I haven't searched that, so I wanted this video to be as authentic and you know, first impression to me. So the product that I'm going to be using today is what is this? The Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Deep Daily Damage Repair Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask. Okay, I have never tried it before, so this is going to be the first time that I am going to be using it, and I thought I would come on and share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Alright you guys, so I'm starting out with pretty dirty hair. I'm going to take my hair off on camera. I have it in a low bun with two flat twists on the side. Alright, so let's just go ahead and take out my hair. I have some bobby pins on the side, a rubber band, which I probably shouldn't be using on my hair, but I do it anyway. And then I have just a regular basic hair tie in the back. So the shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be using today is none other than my Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. This conditioner is definitely a staple in my hair routine. It gets the job done. It is very moisturizing and I love it. So the next clip you guys are going to be seeing is my hair freshly washed and conditioned, and then we're going to hop right in to why you have tuned into this video. So let's go ahead and get into why you guys are watching this. I'm going to be reviewing the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk, the Daily Damage Repair. So this is a 12-ounce jar, and let's see what it does not have. So it does not have no petroleum, no mineral oil, and no artificial colors. It says we damage our hair daily. Yes, from flat ironing to exposing it to harsh environment aggressors. Start repairing broken, over-processed strands with this nourishing mask that reverts damage from the inside out, so hair looks and feels softer and healthier for longer. Made with almond milk, aloe, and vitamin, it also creates an invisible layer that protects against future damage. Make every day a healthy hair day. So I'm gonna leave this conditioner on my hair for 35 to 45 minutes. It has a nice smell to it. I cannot lie about that. It does have a nice smell. Now for the consistency, it is very creamy. It's not super thick, so if I try to put it upside down, it honestly is going to come out, as you guys can see. So it is thick, but it's not super thick. Like this one here, the one that I reviewed before, the Shea Moisture, this one is extremely thick. Like we're not going anywhere. Okay, so just a comparison between those two. So yes, so I am going to try this product throughout my hair. I'm going to take a generous amount. About that much, and I'm going to just work it in my hair from the roots to the tips. Now if you want to go ahead and section your hair off, you can. I'm not going to do that right now because I just took it out the sections. So I'm just going to slap it on there. Now this conditioner does have a little bit of a slip to it, which I like. Some deep conditioners or hair masks don't have, you know, like a slip, so it's hard for it to get, you know, really penetrated in the hair. You have to like really work it in. But I'm noticing here that this conditioner has a very nice slip to it. So that's a plus in my book. So make sure you get underneath your hair, underneath that nape. I'm gonna go get my shower cap and I'll be back when my hair is blow dried out, so I can give you guys a final review on this product here. All right, you guys, so this is the next day. I was going to film the final review yesterday, but it got kind of dark outside, so I decided to go ahead and film it today. This is how my hair turned out for my blow dried twist out. As you guys can see, these are the results. It's fluffy and it looks pretty nice. So I am going to share with you guys my thoughts and my final review on the Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair hair mask. Okay, so we're gonna start out with packaging. I personally like products that come in the jar. I believe that you can get almost 100% out of this, if not more. You're able to, again, scoop everything out, you know, as opposed to pumps where you have to actually open up the pump and then pour it out in your hand. So as far as packaging, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 stars. I do like the packaging. As far as smell, sorry you guys. As far as smell, it smells like almond milk. It smells like there's a food that smells like this. I can't put my finger on it right now. Yeah, I can't put my finger on the smell. But there's a food that smells like this. But you guys, it smells exactly like almond milk, something like almonds. It's pretty potent, so if you are sensitive to smells, you might not care for it. But smelling my hair now, I don't smell any of that almond smell in my hair. So it's not, when it goes on your hair and it settles down, it's not overbearing at all. So I would probably give it a try if you guys like scented products. Okay, so as far as it applying to the hair, it is not as thick as other deep conditioners or hair masks that I have used. This one has a lot more slip to it, which I actually like. I was able to detangle my hair with my fingers with this product. So if you are someone who you know, likes to detangle with their conditioner in their hair, then this product is definitely going to work for you. Again, it's not as thick as other conditioners or deep conditioners that I have used in the past. So that's just my opinion. Now, as far as the softness of my hair was soft, but it wasn't as soft as I would like. Okay, so I don't know if this had any protein in it or not. Yeah, I don't know if this had any protein in it, but my hair wasn't as soft as usual. Like right now, it's okay. Like, you know, it's okay as far as the softness of it, but I've had softer hair. So with that being said, I'm going to give the overall products a 3.5 out of 5 stars. Would I try it or use it again? Yes, I would. But if I didn't have to buy it again, okay, let me put it like this. I will finish this jar. Will I repurchase it? No. Okay. Sometimes you have to give products a chance, of course. So I'm going to use this up, but I don't think I'm going to repurchase it. Especially for the price point, you know, it was like $15, $13, $14, $15. So, you know, it wasn't cheap. So yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it is a Black girl approved. So do I approve of this product? Oh, this one's hard. I don't approve. I don't approve of this product, okay? I think it didn't live up to what I wanted it to live up to, and I'm just being honest. Again, this is just my opinion, but I don't want that to hinder you guys trying it at all. So try it. If you guys like it, let me know. And yeah, so that's the review. And again, thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, leave a comment down below, or also give this video a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys on my next video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.